Hey everyone, I am so excited to show you this. I went ahead and picked up the neck fan. Like I mentioned in the previous video, this is the one from Jisulife, and it comes with 3 modes. It has a light wind, a medium wind, and your heavy wind. Just put it on like so, and the air comes in like an air conditioner in here, and then there's the vents all the way around the side here. And it's got the power button, which is right here. So you can just go ahead and click that. Turn that baby on. You feel that nice little bit of breeze. So the first setting is just a nice light wind like you would have on a normal day. And then if you kick it up to the next level, find that button, kicks it up just a notch, so you have a heavier breeze, right? That feels really good. But on those days when it's really hot, really stifling, and maybe you're just sitting in camp or whatever and you just need that extra bit of oomph. Oh, check this out. Oh yeah. Now I don't know if y'all can hear this, but whew, that feels so good. And it just was like ringing around the whole neck there, and you just feel it up here, and it feels really good. I mean, what can I say? It just works. So if you're interested in keeping cool during the summertime, go ahead and locate one of these on Amazon. Right now I found this one for like 28 bucks, so it wasn't too bad for a price, and it's powered by USB, so that's a benefit, that's a plus. You're not swapping out batteries or anything like that. And yeah, it just simply works, keeps you nice and cool. And like I said, the 3 different settings. Let me find that button, I'll turn that off, and stay cool during the summertime. All right, I'll catch up with you soon.